Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Make sure your iPhone is on a recent iOS release and you're signed into your Apple ID. Open Settings, tap General, then Software Update. Install any available update. Once done, return to Settings and tap your name to confirm Apple ID sign-in, then enable FaceTime in the list of apps. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection and restart the device if network issues persist so the update and activation succeed. Next, update the FaceTime experience by installing the latest system or app files. If FaceTime is bundled, use Settings General Software Update. If offered separately in the App Store, update the app there. Force quit FaceTime and relaunch to prompt reactivation, and sign out of FaceTime, then sign back in if activation stalls. Also, visit Settings FaceTime to confirm which phone number and email addresses are used for reachability, and set the correct caller ID so contacts call the right address. Finish by testing FaceTime. Place a short video call and then an audio call to confirm both work. If calls fail or FaceTime shows an activation error, make sure date and time are set automatically, reboot the phone, and if needed, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in. As a deeper step, reset network settings to clear stuck preferences. If problems persist after those steps, contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for account or hardware diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.